is the world I seek. A pause in time, a quiet space of bliss and calm for the mind, the body, the soul. Dance to the tune of divine energy, feeling the rhythm of a million atoms within me. Surrender myself to the humbling touch of healing hands. And let the secrets of ancient wisdom flow over me, awakening a new dimension of myself that is one with the divine. This is where I learn to savor the little wonders of life. Some we can see, touch, and taste. And some we can't. Immerse myself in the sheer joy of becoming one with the elements: air, water, fire, and earth. Igniting the life force of this eternal transformation that I will carry back home and hold on to for life. Bhumisparsha, a wellness retreat for the soul.